Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enter the referral code on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the bottom of the screen. Right next to this My button, you can see these three dots. Click on it, and as such, you will be redirected to this page. Now from here, simply focus on this Mail Like button. Right here below it says Invite Friends. Click on it. Now as such, you will be redirected to the Invite Friends section. Now simply scroll down till you see something called as Enter Referral Code. Click on it, and this is it guys. Simply enter the referral code right here and just hit on Apply. Well guys, that is it. That's how you enter the referral code in Webtoon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.